What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Second Take, where I talk tech and I speak sports. Today's topic of the day is the JBL by Harman Flip 5.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell as it helps out the channel. Now, the JBL Harman Flip 5. I got this a couple weeks ago and I got these for $119.99. You can actually get this for about $99 today. So I'll put a link in the description so you guys can go out there and get this if you like it. I will tell you, this is the ultimate Bluetooth speaker for your bathroom. Gets plenty loud, really nice and compact, but let's get into the unboxing. So let's see how we get into this. All right, it's from the bottom. All right, so in the box, so your nice little box, throw that to the side. Get kind of like almost like a styrofoam kind of feel here, and you're getting some books. Now let's see what's in here as far as books are concerned. Let's see what's in there. All right, getting the poison pack. Make sure you throw this away. Your dogs will eat this and die. All right, get a quick start guide. Get some instruction booklets, some more instruction booklets, and you're getting, I don't know, something in Chinese. So that's what you get. You're getting cable here. This is actually a charge, obviously. You're getting no brick, but it's a USB type A to a USB type C, so pretty standard if you're on the Android side of the world, or anybody except for Apple. Yeah, Apple, I'm still hating on you because you guys don't conform. All right, so inside, let's see what you get. Let's see if we can get this open. How does this open? All right, it's got a little hinge, and that's what your speaker looks like. So let's take a look at the speaker. Really nice, feels really nice and compact. All right, it's got some buttons here. Plus, minus, a play, and then an infinity side. I'm thinking that's power. Maybe not power, maybe repeat. There's a power button, there's a Bluetooth functionality. Little light there, I don't know, it looks like a light. Maybe for on and off. Let's see if I turn it on, if it goes on. Yeah, little light for power. Ooh, did you hear that? That was really, ooh, I like that. And then you got a USB type C, got a little thing here to carry it. So if you want to use it portable. And then, yeah, there's the speakers, looks like. Oh, it's actually, it looks like that's play. So I'm gonna have to figure out what these buttons are. But really quick unboxing, that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna get you a chance to hear this on camera so you can hear for yourself. But really quickly, go over the specs real quick. So, not the most powerful speaker, but definitely not a lightweight. It's 20 watts of power out of the box. That's plenty loud for inside the house, plenty loud for a bathroom. That's probably where I'm gonna put this, in my bathroom. As far as measurements, kind of give you, it's a 7.1 by 2.7 by 2.9, but just for reference, so you can see what it looks like to a phone. So that's the length. This is the Galaxy S21 Ultra. And then you can see it's basically about the same height there. Width-wise, you can see kind of reference point. But yeah, 7.1 by 2.7 by 2.9. Comes in 11 different colors. This is the all black. I like the all black. Let's go over weight. The weight of this is 1.19 pounds. Has up to 12 hours of playtime. Charging time is going to take you about 2.5 hours to get this charged. And what are you charging? You're charging a 48 milliamp battery. Has Bluetooth 4.2. You can also use Party Boost. Use two Party Boost compatible devices from JBL. Pair them and you can have stereo speakers, so that's really nice. IPX7 certified, waterproof. Up to 3 feet of water, you'll be able to function still. So perfect for the bathroom. You're probably going to get a couple of splashes on it here and there, but up to 3 feet, so you should be safe. A couple of the drawbacks: has no voice integration and has no 3.5 millimeter head jack. So welcome to 2021. It's USB type C. So let's take a moment and connect this, and I'll be right back.
Yeah. LXG. Yeah, I ain't trying to bring the East back, I'm trying to wake the beast up. Nah, fuck being modest. I'm the hottest New York artist. I'm just being honest. I'm the hardest since Christopher Real. So Christopher Wallace, when it got real, I used to pull a pistol for Wallace. A fistful of dollars, a Mount Olympus, me and Apollo's full of.
Okay, so in my opinion, for a Bluetooth speaker that is 7 inches in length and very small and portable, and you can actually carry this thing around, I will say this is a great buy from JBL. You're getting the Harman Kardon experience with this. JBL continues to outperform. They continue to make great speakers for great quality and great pricing. So for $100, man, you can have this. You can put this probably anywhere in your house. Shout out to everybody rocking me on Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you in the next one.